That's how a lump's supposed to come out like that. If the crab is not hot. Okay. Take your back off. Take your legs off. Do this. You turn it down. Like this. When you pull this out, I gotta have something to put my meat in. There's some fat crabs too.
Yeah.
That's a lump. Okay. I'm ready. All your meat. That's all she wrote. She's done.
Huh? Oh, how long have you been doing it?
Oh, I've been done about 30 years. Good 30.
Have you ever timed it? Like how fast you do?
How fast? Sometimes we do. I can do 6 and 7 crabs. You get I can get a pound in 15-20 minutes. 30, no more than 30 most.
Yep.
Yeah, there's some people that's fast. The Mexican girls fast. They're real fast, the Mexican girls. I just looks at them, paying no mind. I'm paying no mind. You got it?
Yep. All right.
Ain't got all that here. I just try. How much y'all have here for this?
Was it $65? $65. Yeah.
Oh, eat every bit of them, girl.
I will. I ain't had crabs
Every
in
bit.
forever, except for the other day.
The person.
They got some meat in them.
They got some meat in them.
Yeah.
If they were cold, that lump would come out like that.
Whole.
This is pretty, yeah, whole like that. See, they go separate. See, they all of them go in the same thing. The little teeny pieces goes into a cup. And all them lumps, that goes in a whole lump all the way around. All
And that's
around,
the
all
ones
around.
you buy that's real expensive.
Yes, sir.
Like $30 for
Yes, sir. Yeah, $30 to $35. That's what it is.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate you.
Now your meat. I'm going home and eat. What y'all cooking?
Nothing.
Nobody cooking nothing today.
Yeah, you come over here, Miss Brenda.
Come on, little boo-boo. What his name? Okay. Back off. Take your legs off. Do this. You turn it down. Like this. When you pull this out, I gotta have something to put my meat in. things, all your dead fragments will come right on off. And you cut it here. You lift this out. That's a lump. Lift it out like that. That's a lump. The reason why the lump is not coming out good is because it's warm.
Warm.
Your crab is warm. Lump will come out whole if it's not, warm. See, it'll come out just as pretty and whole. This your back, your fin, squeeze it. All that meat will come right on out. All you got to do is squeeze it. Try right down like that. Squeeze it. Come right on out. That's without a bone in it. No bones in it. Legs off. Some people do it like this. I do mine like this. See? That's how the lump's supposed to come out like that. If the crab is not hot. That. And right in each one of them little grooves. So all your meat will come right on out. There you go, that's it.
Let me get one.
You ready? Each one of them grooves. There's some fat crabs too.
It is.
That's a lump. Get that all day long. Won't take you long to fill up that thing, huh? You get that all day.